guiding you through with AI narration. Let's go. First, let's start off the rear
Oh my
AI
God.
event.
헐.
It might look up in mesh once it's out.
너.
But you and panic it's not broken. It just needs to be snapped together. Next, we're removing the AC controller. Take the trim cover off first. Remove the T-shirt on both sides and pull it out. The AC controller. Now for the center console. Remove the issue tray. Then UNSCREW 더 13V 언더 더 2T20V 언더 레프트 언더 라이트. Moving to the rear, carefully remove the cigarette lighter. It has locking tabs, so be gentle. Then remove the 20V. Back to the front. We need to remove the jog controller. Start with the trim cover, then disconnect the drive mode plug. Next, remove the center trim cover. UNSCREW 더 T10V holding the jog controller in place. DONT forget the connectors. That blue one is notoriously tight. Be careful with the wire lengths. Now unplug the ambient light connector under the blue one. Be gentle with the ambient light connector. It can be stubborn, so take your time. I was a bit nervous, but as you can see, the console is loose on the right track. Let's remove the side trim. There are clips in the front and locking tabs in the back, so always start from the front. Now remove the storage bin. Funny story, I found out my dad actually broke this set bracket. While it was 달력은 오신 더 자극 컨트롤러 임 저스트 릴리브드 잇 와즈 엔티미 더 와이링 언더니스 이즈 베리 타이트 소 메이크 슈 투 UNCLIP 더 와이어 하너스 더 와이링 언더니스 이즈 베리 타이트 소 메이크 슈 투 UNCLIP 더 와이어 하너스 더 인티리어 테어 마이너스 다운 이즈 컴플리트 임 올레디 프레핑 포 더 넥스트 스테이지 오브 더 레스터레이션 You'll get the next part out as soon as I can, so please hit the like and subscribe button. Inly helps keep me motivated to get the next video up faster. Stay tuned.